Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to do a song with the A, the D, and the E chord. So if you've been following along with our lessons, so far we've done the E chord, the A chord, a D chord, a C, and a G. Our last lesson, I showed you how to play Can You See, Can't You See, using the D, C, and the G chords. So today I'm going to show you how to play a song using an A chord, a D, and an E chord. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? So the song is Wild Thing by the Chords. It was a song from the 1960s. And a lot of bands covered it, but the Chords were the first people to do it. So it starts out with this A chord, and I'm assuming you've been following along in the lessons, so you know how to make this A chord. So I would make it like this, like a traditional A chord. Then you switch to the D. Then you go to the E. You down pick each chord twice. Down, down. You down pick the D chord a little faster. You go down, 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 down. So this part's a little different, but it's an A chord, but you just bar the second fret with your first finger. You want to cover up all four of those strings. And you want to have the open A string here, this fifth string ringing. And you take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the E string on the third fret. You're going to Now the band, I believe, used some bar chords when they played this. So if you play along with it and it sounds a little different, that would be the reason why. So if you're comfortable with bar chords, you can play it that way, but this is a beginner's lesson with beginner chords, and I think it's important to play it like this. You could bar the A and the E chord. By doing that, you're just going to lay your finger across the second fret on the lower four strings when you play the A. And on the E, you're going to lay your finger across all five of the lower strings. I think it's important when you're starting out to play the chords kind of traditionally like this. So those are the pieces and parts to that song. It's a pretty easy song to learn, and if you learn these simple guitar parts, then you can learn the song. So there's more to the song than just learning these chords. Once you learn the chords, there's some pausing in it. Or pause, wait, 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 wait. So if you were to find a YouTube video of the song and play along with it after you learn these chords, you can actually learn the entire song. And if you can play along with it from beginning to end, it'll teach you how to be a better guitar player. So if you play the song from beginning and end, I highly encourage you to learn all these songs from beginning to end and play along with them on a YouTube video. It's better than learning a couple of hard little licks. To learn the entire song, I think, is very important. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. And we'll keep bringing you these videos, all right? So thank you and have a nice day.